folks, it's me again, NudgyBear5567. This is going to be a video of how to change the batteries in your little FirstAlert smoke detector. So what you need to do first is take it off the ceiling. Pretty easy to take off the ceiling. And then, sorry about that. Okay, so you're going to need to remove the battery. Well, yeah, the label's coming off. FirstAlert. So then you see this little tab right here. You push it, and then that comes out. So yeah, you got the battery. Now mine does not need to be replaced, but say this is the new battery. You take this side right here, line it up with that. This is giving me some trouble. Here, I need to put the camera down. Well, I guess it is a phone, but there we go. Okay, so then there we go. Okay, so you close it again. Now you can either test it two ways. This way, just test the battery. Yeah, but I recommend testing it with real smoke. Okay, where's my bottle of water? There it is. Well, not bottle of water, but you know what I mean. Okay, so let's get a match. What am I going to do here? Okay, here we go. Just strike the match like that. No, you can't see this, but so yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's really annoying. I'm not that pleased with BRK or FirstAlert smoke detectors, but it works. What the heck? Jeez. Stupid thing. Stay. Okay. That was very weird. Okay, I'm going to try to do a thing where you can see it. I don't know if it's going to work. There's my old, well not old, but video camera that I used to use. But I'm using the iPhone right now. Stay like that. Okay, cool. So now what I need to do is light a match. Let's see. It's a match. I can even get it to the camera. There we go. Okay. So let's strike it like that. Hold it right there. Okay, that was an epic fail. That was an epic fail. You're wondering why my voice is so weird. It's because I'm sick. But I feel okay. Okay, so let's just hold that there. Right into the little vent right there. Okay, that's weird. Really weird. Trying it one more time. Right up to the little vent and oh, there we go. So yeah, that's just a little video describing how to change the battery in your smoke alarm. So yeah, it has a 9-volt battery. So yeah, thank you for watching. Oh, also I forgot to do something. Little ladder. and then you're just gonna put it back on the ceiling. Oops. Just there. So yeah, thank you for watching this video.